Welcome to today's episode of BRSU, Banski's Road Safety Unit. Today, we're on Southend Lane where there's been two serious crash incidents, and we're going to investigate to see what's actually happening on the ground since this new road layout's been introduced and this new bus lane behind me. So let's take a look at what's actually going on. So this westbound bus lane runs roughly 2/3 of a kilometre up onto the other side of the hill. In the bus lane, motorcycles are permitted from 7 AM till 7 PM. Crossings and signals were also altered by design. But what's really causing all the outrage and uproar about this new bus lane and new road layout on the roads? Let's take a trip up the road and see what's really going on. Cars can go out and come in. This corner's quite blind. This car was quite lucky. And that car's been quite lucky. It's very dangerous. This needs to be investigated. The lines on the road, they're not very clear. Pan to over here, the corner's very blind for cars coming out. We're lucky we didn't just see a live accident. Cars should only be able to come out one way and in one way. We need change. We need this to be investigated. We're here for reform. Please, Lewisham Council, I'm speaking to you. This needs to be investigated. So this is another danger point that I've noticed. As you can see here, we have a bus lane and the main road. And cars have to turn across the bus lane to come into here where the shop, post office and necessities are. However, the cars are not looking for motorcycles or cyclists in the bus lane. One young man lost his life and another woman was hit just across the road where this new road layout has been introduced and was rushed to hospital, and we're still currently awaiting an update on her condition. This is the exact spot where unfortunately a young man at the age of 25 lost his life. It may not have been because of this bus lane, however it may have been a contributing factor. We're still waiting for the findings of that investigation to conclude to understand what the cause of his loss of life actually was. However, I'd like to take this moment to send condolences to this young man's family and may his soul rest in peace. Many people within the Lewisham community have complained and are asking for change, as this new road layout and bus lane is causing a lot of problems for a lot of drivers. What we want: BRSU is asking Lewisham Council and TfL for an independent safety review and a Stage-3 audit. And depending on the findings, if risk shows, we would like some mitigation and post-scheme monitoring, speed, flow and near misses all accounted for. Advanced stop lines, clearer signage, time of day tweaks potentially to the bus lanes. I'm not exactly sure what needs to change here. However, I'm certain of one thing: this needs to be looked at and change needs to be made. I'm asking that Mayor Brenda de Cress, Councillor Louise Krupski and Mr. Zaher Khan all respond. All Bellingham councillors and MP Janet Davey, we're asking that you all respond within due course. All your statements will be shared unedited and the truth will be told. Motorcyclists, pedestrians and drivers all deserve a safe Southend Lane. If you've had any near misses or seen anything of a danger on Southend Lane, please comment down below and tag all relevant members named so we can see a safer Southend Lane. BRSU, Banski's Road Safety Unit, working for the people.